Are you kidding me? Black stains on my jewelry? This is disgusting. Jewelries always oxidize. I mean, all jewelries. And this is so important to know how to clean them up. I had tested two ways and I wasn't sure about, but I'll show you up. In the first way, I used baking soda, and instead of using a foil, I used a bowl. In first step, I pour baking soda in a boiling water or a water to boil. Then I drop my jewelries in that boiling water. I don't really know how that works, and I say goodbye to my jewelries. This is kind of scary, the way that baking soda boils in water. The sound doesn't really sound good. And that's it. Then I clean them up with a napkin, or you could use a towel. But honestly, the result is not satisfying, and I really want to test another way. There you go. This is the second way, using a ketchup. Wear your gloves on and put the ketchup and pour it all around your jewelries. Use a brush, or better say toothbrush, to put the ketchup all around your jewelries. And this is the final part. Clean them up with a napkin. Let's go and see what would be the result. I think this is a little better than the previous one. And as you see, it's good. I could see that it is shiny and more cleaned. Don't forget to clean all the holes and parts as well. And I could see it really works better than the previous method. And finally, this is the result. And this is all good for the earrings. And for the bracelet, I could say it was better. They are almost shiny, and the black stains are disappeared. But still, I could see some black stains there. Then I use sandpaper for those severe stains. I think it's a better way to clean your jewelries first with a ketchup and then use sandpaper for those that are severe. I hope it would be useful for you, and I would be really happy to know your experiences and your suggestions.